Right, it is Christmas Eve, and I do not want disgusting coffee in the morning, so I picked up this descaling kit from the Nespresso store today, and I'm going to do it now, because well, coffee will be the first thing on my mind, other than Jesus in the morning, and yeah, I need to have good coffee on Christmas Day, otherwise it's going to be a disaster. It says lift and close the lever to eject the capsule into the used capsule container. Empty the drip tray, drip base and used capsule container. Unplug that. Oopsies. Oh no, look. For 500 mils of potable water. Nice red lidded black bottle. Pour one place a container, minimum volume 1 liter. Oh goodness me. Okay, this oven dish is the only thing I can think of that is heat resistant. Then to enter the scaling mode, while the machine is turned on, press the espresso, lungo and hot water buttons for 5 seconds, so all three. So turn it on. Yeah. And all 4 buttons are flashing at me. 1, 2, 3, and then the descaling alert. Oh, look at that. turns out there is another page. So that is happening as normal, and when it is done, the machine will switch off automatically apparently. I smelled a funny smell, and then it turned off. So the rinsing cycle is complete. Thank you for joining me in this very interesting process of descaling my coffee machine. I have never done it before, despite having had it for 4 years. But there was a period of time where I didn't use it, so I guess I kind of got lucky. But the descaling alert came up the other day, and so I got the kit, and now I've done it. And now that I know how to do it, when it comes up again, it won't be so difficult. But oh my goodness, for anyone that has one of those machines, I will link the video that I eventually watched to help the rest of you so you don't have to struggle like I did. Merry Christmas!